Hi everyone, I'm Wichax, your guide for today. Yo, welcome to Universitas Iberhumuriah. I'm your instructor and I'm super pumped to teach you about AI, machine learning, and a bit of programming. Okay, let's make this fun, yeah? Okay, any questions so far? Alright, let's kick off with the basic introduction to machine learning plus supervised machine learning with regression and classification. Sounds cool, right? So, what's machine learning? Okay, imagine teaching a little kid who know almost nothing. Same vibe. It's just getting machines to learn from pattern in data. This is similar to teaching a young child who know little. Machine learning is the process of enabling machines to learn something based on pattern in provide data. Okay, let's break it down with some lingo. Filter is like the clue we use to predict stuff. Target is what we wanna figure out, and model is the smart trick we use to connect them. Okay, machine learning comes in three flavors. Yeah, supervised is when we have answers to predict. Unsupervised is figuring it out without answer. And reinforcement is like a game with reward and penalty. Which one sounds fun to you? Okay, yeah. Supervised machine learning, a machine learning method used when we have labels, or something we need to predict. And unsupervised machine learning, a machine learning method used when we do not have labels, so we need to learn the patterns ourselves. And reinforcement learning, a machine learning method that involves an agent, environment, reward, and punishment to learn the patterns used. Alright, let's get into how we build this machine learning magic. First, we start with data pre-processing. Think of it like cleaning up your room before a big project. Yeah, removing mess like missing info or worried stuff. Then we split the data into two cool teams. Training data to teach the model and testing data to check if it's marked enough. After that, we create the model, kinda like drawing the blueprint, and finally we evaluate it to see if it's awesome or needs a tweak. Okay, now let's dive deeper into dividing data. Super important stuff. We split our data into key part, like slicing a pizza, into equal chunks so everyone gets a fair share. The blue parts are our training data, uh, where the model learns all the tricks, and the black part are for testing to see if it's got the skills. Yeah. We do this in a cool cycle called iterations. Okay, check it out. Iteration 1, 2, and 3 is like giving the model multiple chance to practice and get better. Nah, awesome process, right? No, supervised machine learning regression is for number, like predicting price, and classification it's is for category, like yes or no, male or female. Yeah, which one do you think is easy? Let's dive into regression. Linear regression use a cool formula like that. It's like a math magic trick, with weights and bias. Yeah. And finally, classification logistic regression give us a probability, like is this a cat or not? Super useful, right? Now, what's some think you did predict with this. Okay, thanks you for watching. See you in another video. Bye bye.